Alright guys, it's a bit nippy, it's like 11 degrees or some damn thing. Freaking frigid. But we're gonna do the twatter on the snow here. Got a little breeze coming out of the east. I think we'll take off quite nicely. If everything goes according to plan here, we should be good shape. Safe is on, take off flaps. Here we go, boys. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Out of the flaps. Trim's looking good. Awesome. Sweetener. Yeah. Cool. Now let's see if we can landing flaps. We're gonna oh, awesome! That is too awesome. I have no rudder, so the turning authority on this is shit. However, I picked up a stranger. Oh, this is a blast, you guys. Holy hell. The flaps. Well, I gotta watch those tip stalls of this baby. And seem to be doing good battery-wise. I think you're 3300 3-cell inner, and we're just gonna practice some touch and goes here. My wind direction is alright. Go take off flaps, landing flaps, bring it around town. She slows right down on I'll just bring her in here nice and slow, nice and easy here. Oh, this is a blast. Awesome. I don't know what the turning authority would be on this one. Yeah, I can't really turn it all. So, now I have zero turning authority with this, so we're gonna have to make do with what we have. And we're up. Safe is off, so she's a little boundy here, but do have the LiPo alarm in it, so we'll know when the voltage is getting down. She's trimmed out, not too shabby. Alright, that'll work. I really don't want to go clear up to the damn flying field and freeze my ass off. What a fun airplane. Alright, it's virtually still. I mean, I'm not too concerned about she bounces on that snow pretty good though. I have a little, just barely some turning authority there. I like the way this flies on the 3300.